Hey folks, welcome back to the Dark Hollow Garage. So today is Sunday and we have to finish up a little issue on our tow vehicle. It feels like the passenger side brake line on the front, the soft line, feels like it might have collapsed a little bit. So we're going to get after that. Finish this baby up, get ready to go. Come on, let's go. Alright, nice new brake line. There we go. Sweet. The old one doesn't look all that bad, but she dives left when you hit the brakes. And she got new calipers just a year or so ago, and I did the brake line on that side, and now it pulls left, so this one must have been collapsing too. So now when we hit the brakes, it shouldn't go left or right. Yeah. Okay folks, brakes are done on that. Now it's got two new front brake lines. Here it is Sunday, the day before No Name Nationals. What day? Sorry about going out of camera there. I had to look at the calendar. 4 more days. Oh, and I'm so ready. I'm so ready to be done with all this thrashing. So, while I was upstairs getting something to drink, I look at my phone. My phone wasn't with me. I missed a call from Buck. And I texted him, told him I'd call him back here in a little bit. Now I'm all done. I'm going to go up and clean up, see if I can give Buck a call, and get some logistics going here, because it looks like I'm driving my truck and car and trailer to JB's house, or somewhere in the vicinity of JB's house. We're going to take my car off the trailer, put his truck on the trailer, and then him and Lars are taking my truck, trailer, and his buck eater to the No Name Nationals. I'm going to follow in my 66. So I guess that's the plan. Sounds like it anyway. Now we just got to get the logistics of what time. You know, we're going to meet up and everything. I think we talked about it on the phone the other night, but I've slept since then, so might have to cover it again. Alright, appreciate y'all coming in, checking me out. Just a quick one. Just a little short something before No Name Nationals. I still got to pack the truck and all of that stuff. And it's coming soon, man. Hell, before we know it, we'll be driving out of here, you know. Alright, guys. I hope y'all are doing good out there. I hope your projects are ready. I hope somebody's in better shape than I am. I hope I'm in better shape than somebody else. I don't know. Anyway, appreciate you coming in. We'll catch you next time.